On the edit contact page, we can edit the name of our contact, we can edit the alias of the contact, we can link the user to a specific user profile, we can change the category that this contact is in, we can change the status of the contact by saying that we want it to be unpublished, we want to archive it, or we want to put it in the trashed area. We can change the access level to this contact, making it available to registered or special user groups only. We can change the ordering of the contact, the feature, whether it's a featured contact or not, and then the language. We can also put in some additional information about this contact here. And over on the right, you'll notice you've got publishing options, contact details, display options, contact form, and meta options. Let's run through those real quick. The created by is who created the specific contact. Created by alias is similar to other areas in Joomla where you can create an alias and it will overwrite this created by user. You can create the date that it was created on. You can start publishing a contact on a specific date and stop publishing it. Underneath the contact details, this is where you're going to put in the specific information about this contact, position of the contact, are they an administrator, whatnot, manager, their email address, their address, the city, state, zip, country, telephone, all the basic contact information here. Once that's all filled in, you've got display options. And again, these work in similar fashion to other areas in Joomla where we see drop-downs that can overwrite global settings. So in this instance, we want to show the contact list. We can choose to hide or show it. And these are going to behave the same way that other areas in Joomla behave, where you can overwrite globals. So you've got, do we want to show the email for this specific contact? Do we want to show the street address for this specific contact, and so on. And as you move down the list here, you've got some custom labels you can add in with a link to that URL as well. Some settings for the contact form are going to allow us to show the contact form for this individual. You can send copy to the submitter, the person that's filling out the form. You can choose to send a link to that person. It's going to have a little box that says send a copy to yourself, and they can choose that option if they want to. You can ban specific emails, you can ban subjects, and you can ban text that you receive. You can do a session check. It says here, check for the existence of session cookies. This means that users without cookies enabled will not be able to send the emails and force people to have their cookies on. You can have a custom reply, and then you can have a contact redirect. This is entering an alternative URL where the user will be redirected after they send the email. So you can send them to like a thank you page or something like this, or push them to another kind of call to action, if you will. On this page here as well, when you start to see the contact, we're going to have specific meta descriptions and keywords as well. And then every page component's got a function that allows you to edit the robots.txt file. And then you've got rights here, publication rights for the content. And that's about it. Hope that was helpful.